Hey everyone, welcome back. After a long time, I am back with another ROM for a show Zenfone Max Pro M2 and Koge. I am going to review the best ever stable port MIUI Mix 12.5.3. It is a very good and very stable port for this device. You can check here the version 12.5.3 of MIUI Mix. So let's see the specification. You can check here. It is an Android CAN based ROM with Skywalker kernel. So this ROM is very good. You can use this ROM as your daily driver. You will not get any much issue in this ROM. You will get a lot of feature and stability in this ROM while using and while playing games. It is very stable. The battery backup of this ROM is just awesome. So you just need to try this ROM and tell me your feedback. So let's start the video, and before get don't forget to subscribe my channel. First of all, let's see its quick file settings. You can check here. It is very good and no lag. It is very smooth working. So you can check here. If I talk about its working and notification panel, you can check here from left side. You can access the notification panel, and from right side you can check here the icon of KOS. If I talk about its working is very good. All the functions are working perfectly, like QR code scanner, guard mode, rigging mode. All are working perfectly. Hotspot performance mode. You can easily use gauge option from here. If I talk about screen recording in Gauge Update, a screen recording is just having good features, but unfortunately it is not working. You can check here. It has many good options, but the best thing will be here. But if it was working, but you can check here, it is not working. So screen recording is not working in this subject. I don't know why, but you can easily check these options here, like brightness icon and arco brightness option, so you will not have any issue here. Also, in case of you can check here my device and security status of this ROM with zone security update of Google. So go not much problems here. If I talk about the Wi-Fi connectivity, hotspot connectivity, and also the Bluetooth connectivity, the three options are working very good. You will not have Wi-Fi calling or video native calling option here. So these are some options which are found related to Bluetooth and hotspot connectivity. Also, in case of wallpaper and personalization, you can easily customize the look of your theme, like multiple wallpapers are given here to select and make it your wallpaper. Also, in case of lock screen effect, you can easily use pulse and scar, like it is very good looking. So you can use gauge option. Also, in case of always on display, there are many good options. So you can use gauge options to apply on your lock screen, which makes your lock screen look very good. So these are some options which are very good in case of gig. Also, you can check here some other options like double tap to wake and double tap to sleep options, which are working very good. You can check here double tap to wake and double tap to sleep options. All are working very fine. So next of all, I will go to check some other options like display settings. You can check here. It is working like dark mode and light mode. Both are working very good. Also, rigging mode, you can easily customize gauge options without any issue. If I talk about sound and vibration, the sound quality of this ROM is very good. You will not have any issue related to calling sound, earpiece volume or media volume. Also, in case of Bluetooth audio, its sound is very good, so you will not have any issue, any complaint related to sound quality. Also, in case of notification and home screen, you can easily customize the home screen setting from here, like double tap to lock screen and another options like screen location. Easily you can use these options without any issue. Let's go further and check another feature of this ROM like password and security. In case of password, the multiple locks are possible here, like fingerprint lock is working perfectly. Also, face unlock is working good in this subject. You can check here, face unlock is working good. You will not have any issue. Also, in case of pattern lock, there is no latency and no lag. It is very smooth to use the locking option and unlocking options. Also, the privacy protection is given here, so you can use any app without privacy breach. If I talk about battery backup, its battery backup is just awesome. You will not have the heating issue while playing games, and also the battery backup during gameplay is very good, so you will not have any issue related to battery backup in this room. You can check here. I am using this room from last Coco gauge, and I have got a perfect battery backup in this update while playing games and normal music and normal uses of this ROM. So you can check here battery status and battery saving mode are given here. Also the battery status and battery temperature mode is given. So battery backup is just go in this upgrade, you will not have any issue related to battery life of this ROM. And also you can easily monitor the battery draining give different functionality of your ROM. Also in case of you can check here Google apps is working perfectly. Also you can check here the app lock is working good, so you can use this option to lock any of your app. So these are some cool features in GISROM which are found very good. Also in case of additional setting, you can check your notification like and quick bolt option. In case of accessibility, you can easily use the volume and another option related to accessibility options. If I talk about the additional feature, special feature, you can check here game curve option is given here. So you will have a good gaming experience while using this ROM. Also video call box is given here and flocking window and stacking space options are given, which is very good option as you know in MIUI ROMs. So these are some options which are very good in Gauge upgrades. Let's go further and check about banking apps. If I talk about banking apps, the SBI Yono and SBI like both are not working in Gauge upgrade, but another apps like PhonePe, Google Pay and Paytm all are working very good. You can check here the Yono SBI just crashed. So this is not working, and also in case of Yono like it is not working due to rogue device. As you can check here Gyokoroke device it is not working, but another applications PhonePe, Google Pay all are working very fine. You can check here. Google Pay is working perfectly, but you can use Magic Hike option to make it working as a Hike already, and the Yono like is working perfectly after Magic Hike option. So you can check here in case of Google benchmark score. You can check here it's having good score 301 and 1385 for multi-core option, which is very good score. If I talk about Nakeruk checker, you can check here by default this ROM is looking some problems here which are found in Nakeruk checker. Also in case of safety next cases, the safety neck case pass if you use Magic Hike option, otherwise it will be failed. So you can use Magic Hike option for safety neck passing. So these are some tasks I have done in this update which is without any problem. Also you can check here this ROM is already okay, so you can check here the Magic Manage is already installed and you can easily use some options here like Magic Hike option. So I hike Yono SBI and Yono Like, and after it Yono Like will start working but Yono SBI will not work yet. So you can use these modules and install from your storage and some another setting related to Magic option. So you can use the Magic Manager app to customize the modules related settings. So you can check here Yono like SBI has Skarkic working. You can check here after Magic Hike but Yono SBI is still not working. So in case app in case ROM Yono SBI will not work in case of banking apps. After it, I'm going to check some other options like Play Store certifications. You can check here the Play Store is certified in this. Okay, so you will not have any issue related to Google apps from this upgrade. And also in case of Google camera, the camera is quite good in this upgrade. You will have a good quality photographs in this option. Let's go further and check the calling sound issue. In case of calling, Wi-Fi calling or native video calling option are not working, but you can check here. The call recording option is working perfectly. The sound quality is very good in case of calling. I have earpiece volume, and also in case of Bluetooth calling sound is just awesome. You can check here. The call recording option has been scarking without any issue. You can easily install any module in GitHub using Magisk app. Also you can check here already installed Magisk module here Viper Android. So these are some sound related module which you can use to increase the sound quality of your ROM. Also if I talk about the memory RAM management and also that is sync app memory, so you can use these options without any issue. That is sync app memory is very good, so you will not lose any application data while using multiple casting options. Also in case of home launcher second, you can easily customize the case things, and also in case of temperature and weather options you will not have any issue. The weather option is working perfectly in case subject. Also okay Google is working perfectly. So you can check here all the options are working perfectly. In this update you will not have any issue related to general option and other advanced option in this update. Also I have used here CPU clock link cache and you can check here its performance is very good. You will not have any issue related to CPU lower performance in this update and that's why gaming experience is just awesome in this update. So you can check here the result is very good in case of CPU clock link cache. So these are some options which are found in this update and which are very good ROM. So you can use this ROM for gaming purposes and also another option. If I talk about gaming, a gaming experience is just awesome. You can try this ROM to check the real gaming experience on your own device. So don't need to worry about gaming experience. It's just awesome and you should try this ROM if you want good gaming experience and also the stability of 4K ROMs. So this is the video for cooking. Also you can check here all the sensors are working perfectly without any issue. So this is the video for cooking. Let's make in next video with another ROM for ASUS Zenfone Max Pro M2. Before going to another videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching.